And the prettiest sight you'll see is the holly that will be on Marianne's front door. Hello, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
We're a few days into our Handmade holiday extravaganza, but we still have so much more.
We're making a fresh, modern take on the classic holiday wreath. Let's get started.
We knew we wanted to create a large wreath with hanging bells, but finding the materials for that was a little harder than we expected.
Yeah, and expensive.
Yes.
And metal bells are really heavy, so it just was not gonna work.
But we found these awesome pots at the gardening center that shaped like a bell, so we thought these were perfect.
Yeah, and for like $1 each. So we're gonna give them an antique look with some acrylic paint. It's gonna be super easy. So we're gonna start with a base coat of bronze, and we're just gonna sloppily paint it. This is gonna be a nice layered look. It's gonna give it a lot of dimension and almost like a weathered look. And of course you can use whatever color metallic paint you want. This is gonna give a nice deep base coat, and then we're gonna lighten it up with just some gold paint. It's gonna look really nice. So I'm also gonna paint the inside of the bell. You know, you wanna make sure it looks metallic through and through. So the copper's dry. Now we're gonna add a coat of gold acrylic paint right on top with a brush, and just a nice light coat, because you do wanna see that copper come through. All right, now we're gonna add our antiqued weathered look with a paper towel and some charcoal acrylic paint. You just want something nice and dark. I think starting lighter is definitely better. You can always add on, and you're really gonna see it with these ridges.
All right, our pot, now bell, is dry.
It's dry.
And now I'm just gonna add some twine so we can hang it. I'm just gonna cut a long piece, double it up, and then add a little knot on the bottom there. And then I'm just gonna glue this to the top of the bell here. And this way we'll be able to hang our bells. Now we're gonna add the chime, and to stay on theme here, we're gonna use a little wooden bead. I'm just gonna add a piece of twine. So I just glued the twine right into the bead there. All right, now I'm just gonna glue this into my pot here for the ringer. I'm gonna use a little piece of ribbon just so that I can press it down with the hot glue, and it's gonna add more surface area to the bell here, just so it has something to hold on to. All right, it's not a silver bell, but it's a gold bell.
Oh my gosh.
Started as a pot. It looks pretty good.
It looks so cute.
We found this awesome wooden embroidery hoop, and we loved it so much that we're gonna keep it as it is. We also found this beautiful fake boxwood. So now we're just gonna attach the boxwood with a little bit of floral wire.
We're gonna wrap the boxwood around the outer hoop, and then we're gonna put the inner hoop in just to hide the wire.
Now that we have the inner hoop in, I'm just gonna tighten the top so we have a nice, tight, beautiful wreath. And then we're good to add our bells.
And we're leaving this extra twine just so we can hang it right on the door. Now we're gonna add our final festive flourishes with a bow and some faux evergreen. Oh my gosh, it looks so festive, and it's a really nice take on the classic wreath, and I had a lot of fun making it.
Yes, we think Marianne's gonna love it, but she's not gonna love when we pull a Grinch and take this home with us. If you want to see more of our handmade holiday DIYs, check out the playlist down below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Happy holidays!